How to use code detector CDR817. Remove the battery insulation sheet. After the 30 seconds preheating countdown, the product enters the monitoring state. The product monitors the carbon monoxide concentration value and does not display the reading. Light the cigarette and place it behind the product. Testing in a confined space. When the carbon monoxide concentration exceeds 50 ppm, the code detector will sound and alarm the carbon monoxide. The red indicator line lights up and the carbon monoxide concentration value can be displayed up to 999 ppm. Carbon monoxide concentration values increase as smoke decreases. The green indicator light flashes every 30 seconds to indicate the product is monitoring the coal concentration. Press test to enter the self-test mode.